Have you ever felt like your brain is stuck in low gear, where even simple tasks seem overwhelming and concentrating feels impossible? That frustrating state where your mind feels cloudy and you can't think straight has a name: brain fog. It's a common experience, and while it's not a medical condition on its own, it can seriously affect your productivity, mood, and overall well-being. Today we're diving deep into what brain fog is, why it happens, and how you can clear it up. What exactly is brain fog? Brain fog isn't a scientific term, but rather a way to describe a group of symptoms that affect your ability to think clearly. People experiencing brain fog often report difficulty concentrating, poor memory, mental fatigue, and slower processing of information. In essence, brain fog makes it harder for your mind to function as efficiently as it normally would. Imagine trying to run a computer program, but the system keeps lagging. That's what brain fog can feel like. Common causes of brain fog: lack of sleep. Sleep is like a reset button for your brain. Without enough of it, your cognitive abilities take a hit. Studies show that even one night of poor sleep can reduce attention span, slow reaction times, and impair decision-making. If brain fog hits after a late night or restless sleep, that's probably why. Stress. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that helps you deal with immediate threats. However, chronic stress floods your brain with cortisol, which can interfere with memory and concentration. Over time, high stress can shrink the part of your brain responsible for learning and memory, the hippocampus, making brain fog a frequent companion during stressful periods. Poor diet. Ever heard the saying, "You are what you eat"? It applies to your brain too. Diets high in sugar and processed foods can lead to inflammation, which affects brain function. On the other hand, nutrient deficiencies, especially in B vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, and iron, can impair cognitive performance and lead to mental fatigue. Dehydration. Since the brain is about 75% water, even mild dehydration can lead to confusion, poor concentration, and fatigue. If you're feeling foggy, a simple glass of water might be the quickest fix. Hormonal changes. For many women, brain fog is a common symptom during pregnancy, menopause, or even certain phases of the menstrual cycle. Hormones like estrogen and progesterone can affect neurotransmitters, leading to temporary cognitive issues. Medical conditions. Brain fog can also be linked to medical conditions like chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, depression and anxiety, autoimmune diseases like lupus or multiple sclerosis. COVID-19. Post-COVID brain fog has been widely reported and studied, with many individuals experiencing lingering cognitive issues long after recovering from the virus. How brain fog affects daily life. Living with brain fog can be frustrating. Simple tasks like sending an email or remembering a grocery list can feel mentally exhausting. You may find yourself rereading the same sentence multiple times or forgetting appointments you just scheduled. Here's a relatable example. Imagine you're at work trying to finish a report. You know what you need to do, but your thoughts feel jumbled, and every time you start writing, you lose your train of thought. After a few hours of struggling, you leave work feeling drained but unproductive. That's brain fog in action. Fun fact, brain fog can also affect your emotional state. When your mind feels cluttered, you may feel more irritable or anxious, compounding the issue. Practical tips to clear brain fog. Prioritize sleep. Since lack of sleep is one of the leading causes of brain fog, establishing a healthy sleep routine is crucial. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock. Manage stress. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. This could be meditation, yoga, or even a simple walk outside. Deep breathing exercises can also help reduce cortisol levels and improve mental clarity. Eat brain-boosting foods. Include foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Some great brain-boosting foods include blueberries, packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation; fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health; leafy greens, high in vitamins and minerals essential for cognitive function; Nuts and seeds, great sources of healthy fats and micronutrients. Stay hydrated. As simple as it sounds, drinking enough water throughout the day can make a big difference. If you struggle to remember, set reminders on your phone or keep a water bottle with you at all times. Exercise regularly. Physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients essential for optimal function. Even a brisk 20-minute walk can help clear mental cobwebs. Take breaks. If you're working on a mentally demanding task, take regular breaks. The Pomodoro technique, which involves 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break, can improve concentration and prevent mental fatigue. Fun fact, even astronauts experience brain fog. Studies conducted on the International Space Station have shown that microgravity affects cognitive performance, leading to slower reaction times and decreased memory function. Researchers believe that the unique environment in space alters how fluids move in the body, affecting brain function. So if you've ever felt foggy after a long day, at least you're not dealing with zero gravity. The role of technology in brain fog. In today's digital age, technology is both a blessing and a curse when it comes to brain fog. On one hand, it provides tools to help organize our lives, like calendars and reminders. On the other hand, constant notifications, screen time, and information overload can contribute to mental fatigue. Ever find yourself mindlessly scrolling through your phone, only to feel drained afterward? That's a mild form of digital-induced brain fog. Setting boundaries for screen time and taking regular digital detoxes can help reduce its effects. Pro tip: use the Do Not Disturb feature on your devices during focus hours or when you're winding down for the night. The connection between gut health and brain fog. Your gut and brain are more connected than you might think. The gut-brain axis is a communication network that links the emotional and cognitive centers of the brain with the digestive system. An imbalance in gut bacteria caused by poor diet or stress can lead to inflammation that affects brain function. Fun fact, around 90% of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and cognition, is produced in the gut. That's why a healthy gut is key to a clear mind. To support gut health, incorporate probiotics like yogurt or fermented foods into your diet. Eat a variety of fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. Limit processed foods and sugar. When to see a doctor? While occasional brain fog is normal, persistent or severe brain fog could be a sign of an underlying medical condition. If your symptoms last for several weeks or worsen over time, it's a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. They can help identify potential causes and recommend appropriate treatments. So the next time you feel like your brain is in a haze, remember, you're not alone, and there are practical steps you can take to clear the fog. Prioritize sleep, manage stress, nourish your body, and stay hydrated. Small changes can have a big impact on how your mind functions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into how your brain works. See you in the next video.